Hello YouTube, here we are today with an unboxing video. Today we have the Skyzone O2Xs. I hope you enjoy. Cheers!
Yeah, sorry about the glare, but it should go away after we take this plastic off. See? Box. Skyzone. This is the first for me as well. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, what we got in here? Got the manual. 3D FPV. Oh, that's the Asian side. Oh yeah, system content. Okay, we'll look at that later. I think I'll tip them out. Alright, what's in the boxes? Alright, we've got the first box. We'll open this one first. We got a head tracker cable. What's we got? Got one of them. Got one of them cables. That's probably the head tracker as well. Oh, alright, we have some rubbish. Okay, I'm guessing a in for a ground station. Sweet. More rubbish. Bendable rubbish. Yeah. What else we got? Oh. Oh. Now that's something's handy. How long is it? Alright. Oh, that's plenty long. That's like to your pocket from your headset long. Sweet. Nice. Nice and long. Look. Yeah. Easy from your pocket to your headset. Alright, the main thing we've been waiting for. Looks like it opens from the side. Oh, it's in here. Ooh, got a little nice plastic case. Alright. Oh, oh, that's a nice zipper. It's a nice zipper. Oh, they look nice. Oh, I like them. I haven't seen those ones. I may have, but they didn't look that vibrant, did they? Look at that. That looks cool. Hell yeah. Look, they're all sealed in plastic. Nice. Get out the old scissors. Oh. Oh. Look, that looks awesome. There's the inner shell. What? I like them. Especially the outside. How nice is that sheen? Look at it. Got the camera in the front. Got the tracker out. HDMI, AV in, USB, AV out, SD card, headphone jack. Oh, they look nice. Oh, turn these up so you can read it. Band. It's a bit hard to see the A, but band, channel, track, record, mode, and search. Oh, they come with some foam. Oh yeah, you wouldn't see it anyway yet because the foam's there, like that, with that print. Are they both the same size foam? Looks to be to me. Alright, let's put the foam on. Alright. There seems to be have the foam all on. You can't see any of the stuff ups, which is cool. Alright, let's plug these suckers in. Pretty sure you hold the button in. Does a loud beep. I can hear the fan turn on. I don't know if you're going to be able to see inside, but you're only going to see static anyway. Oh, look at that Look at that static quality. Oh. Whoa, that's some clear static. But yeah, just for a split second he's got to say, alright, now my turn to level it. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice screen. Whoa, they actually go too far for me, which normally doesn't happen. I've got a big head. I like them. That's a nice vibrant screen. It is, yeah, even though I'm just looking at static at the moment. Let's plug in the drone real quick. This is more for me. Oh, that camera.
Oh, that's that's really nice picture. Oh my god. Such a nice picture. Just getting that focal point. I got a wolf head. There. That is bloody brilliant. Oh, that is cool. It'll let you go through your search for all the channels that it's scanned. That is awesome. There we go. That is really good. Tip top. Alright, now how to get rid of it. Final thoughts on my new goggles. They're awesome. Can't wait to fly. See you next time for a flight video. Cheers.